All right. Good. Yeah. So it's really a pleasure to be here and present in this online format. It's the very first time for me, honestly. So I'm sitting here in my office in front of my notebook today. Yeah. So my name is Peter Drage. I am a co-founder of the company Advanced Thermal Technologies. We are here in Graz in Austria. And our focus actually is on printed electronics in the automotive industry. And I've seen that in the agenda, there is not too many topics focusing on automotive. So I will be talking today on how to keep cameras, radar and LiDAR sensors free of snow and ice by means of printed electronics. I'm not going to do a technical deep dive, but for sure, if you have any more technical questions, I will be then there in the lobby to answer. All right, so going into the agenda. First of all, I'm gonna start explaining a little bit on the major trends currently in automotive industry and how we from ATT are reacting on that. Then I'm gonna go into the topic on the heated sensor covers. And also want to answer a little bit the question if there is even a business case in going into that doing printed electronics. I'm going to show today's industry standard, so the solution that is there already, and for sure, I'm also going to present our solution for that challenge. And yeah, probably there might be time for one or two questions. Otherwise, as I said, later then in the lobby, I will be available. All right, good. So automotive industry, I think there is a big revolution going on. I would say first of all, it's the electrification. So we are totally going away from the combustion engine. Current and future vehicles will be powered by electricity, either with having a fuel cell or having a battery. But basically, the combustion engine is going to die sooner or later. And this brings huge challenges also in the field of the vehicle thermal management. So we need to heat the cabin, heat all the powertrain components in a very different way. And for this, definitely our technology in the field of printed electronics, printed heaters, and also printed sensors is definitely something that is pretty interesting. A second major trend is definitely the digitalization, connectivity of vehicles. This also means that the vehicles are going to be way more intelligent in the future, which also means there will be a high demand for sensor technology. Again, something that we can do based on the printed electronics. What I'm going to focus today is the third topic here on the screen. It's the autonomous driving. And basically, if we talk autonomous driving, we mean ADAS, so Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. And what you see here is basically just a brief explanation of different levels of driving autonomously. And basically, it's from level 0 to level 5. Level 5 basically means I can, as a driver, I don't need to do anything. The car is driving completely independently. And it's really getting interesting from this level 3, which means hands off. Level 4 then would means I can take my eyes off. And level 5 really means I can take my mind off. So the car is really driving independently. And in order to enable the car to do so, we need to have a huge amount of sensor technologies in the car. So like cameras, radar sensor, LiDAR sensor. And so this is definitely a market that is significantly going to grow. If we now implement those sensors into the car, there is an issue. All right. And even yesterday, I was going from Italy to Austria. I was driving. It was just 2-3 centimeters of snow on the road. This is not my image, but this is an image from a Tesla. You see again 2-3 centimeters of snow next to the road, and the car is already asking me to put my hands back on the steering wheel because there will be a little bit of snow and ice on the sensor covers. So basically, the car doesn't see anything, so it can't go autonomously. So in order, and this is very important, in order to reach those higher levels of ADAS, so level 3 to level 5, we need to make sure that those sensors are also available in harsh environmental conditions. So even if there is snow, if there is ice, if there is fog, we need to protect those covers. So we basically just need to heat them. And also important, those cover material is now going away from glass